Railway Inquiry. இப்ப பார்க்க போறது ரயில் பிரயாணம் குறித்து எப்படி விசாரிக்கிறதுன்னு. ரயில் பிரயாணம் பற்றி விசாரித்தல். ராஜ் ரயில் பிரயாணம் பற்றி விசாரிக்கிறார்.
Excuse me, what are the trains for Kolhapur?
There are 3 trains: Mahalakshmi Express, Sahyadri Express and Koyna Express.
All these trains are from Dadar?
No, Mahalakshmi Express is from Dadar and other trains are from CST.
At what time does the Mahalakshmi Express start from Dadar?
8 p.m.
Is there first class AC for this train?
No, it has only second class AC.
And at what time does it reach Meerut station?
Morning 5.
Is there a connecting train to Belgaum?
Yes, you will get your connected train from Meerut.
Do I have to book a seat separately?
No, you can buy direct ticket to Belgaum.
At what time will it reach Belgaum?
12 noon, sir.
Thank you. Where is the emergency reservation counter?
It's window number 12.
Will I get a reservation for today?
Try your luck. The train is always full. I'll suggest you should accept even if you get RAC.
Will it get confirmed on the train?
Mostly it gets confirmed, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.